My name is Shub. I'm a developer here at Juice Technologies, and today I'll be showing you our Quickbase integration with Egnyte. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar or don't know, Egnyte is a cloud-based document management tool used to securely share, edit, and enhance your files. And that's just not PDFs, that's also Word documents, Excel sheets, and even videos and images. And so in this video, I'll just be demoing the basics of what you can do with Egnyte. And so really kind of showing you how to set up your folder structure, upload documents, view those files, and then lastly, how to use our document generation add-on, specifically Exact Forms Plus, with our Egnyte integration. We do have another video that kind of goes more into depth about what Egnyte has to offer, specifically with their intelligence and AI capabilities. We're going to link that video in the description. So if you definitely like what you see here, I highly recommend you guys take a look at it after. And so now I'll be demoing this integration in Quickbase's Project Hub app. So as you can see right here, this is project record. And if I navigate to the Files and Photos tab, if I scroll down a little bit, this is where our Egnyte integration is going to be sitting. So either you can view it from an iframe, or if I launch a pop-up from this button, you can view it from there as well. So as you can see right now, we don't have our folder structure kind of set up. So let's kind of scroll here. And as you can see in this red button, this is going to create the Egnyte project. So right here, I have the project folder path. This is going to be the folder path within Egnyte. Then I also have the template. So I actually can have several templates that mimic what what the folder structure is really going to be once I create this project within Egnyte. So I'm going to select the Project Hub template. I have this template set up, so it's kind of very similar to what the table structure is in this specific app. So I have a folder for my submittals, my RFIs, my invoices, all my permits and stuff like that. And so you can kind of tailor it to however your app is set up. So let me create this project. So let me X out of this. It's going to refresh the page. And if I were to scroll down now you're going to see that kind of folder structure, that project being created within Egnyte. So now, I have a folder for my submittals, my RFIs, and, my invoices and stuff like permits and my safety. So you can really create using that template structure for your folders, and you can do subfolders within that as well. So now let me kind of show you how you can upload documents really easily from your local file storage into Egnyte. So if I were to go into kind of my RFIs folder right here, all right, if I were to go into RFIs, I can kind of just quickly drag and drop it and see all those files being uploaded straight into Egnyte integration. And I can show you how quickly that actually, so right now I just moved over to my Egnyte tab. And so if I were to go kind of refresh my page here, and if I go into the gas station project that we had, go into the RFIs, as you can see, those documents are instantly uploaded into Egnyte. So you don't have to wait for it to sync really. It's like immediate. And so if I go back to my Project Hub, Quickbase app right here. So that's how you kind of can upload documents, and then you can click into it and use, the Egnyte's file viewer right here. So you can view it as a PDF. You can kind of ask it questions, and I kind of go more into depth in the other video of how you can use this AI service, this chatbot, to really enhance your documents. You can add comments, so really allowing for that collaboration, workflows, as well as details. So this is kind of giving you full capabilities of Egnyte in your Quickbase app. And you can kind of open it up with the web edit app. So I kind of also go into that more in the other video. So I highly recommend checking it out. Like I said, it's going to be in the description. And lastly, kind of let me show you guys how to use our existing document management tools like Exact Forms Plus with Egnyte. And so if I were to go into the cost management tab, and right here, as you can see, I have all these invoice documents that are kind of related to this project. And so each of these have their own kind of invoice document related to it. But then also I want to generate a project summary that's going to kind of show me all the invoices related to this project. And so if I were to click this button, this is actually going to kick off our Exact Forms Plus process that, as you can see right here, not only generates the document, but also saves it to Egnyte. So this is going to generate a document for each of these invoice documents, save that to Egnyte, and then generate a document for the merged file and save that to Egnyte. So as you can see, if I refresh this, it's going to generate an invoice for all these documents, as well as the summary right here, and it's going to save all those documents. So all of those detailed records, as well as the summary, straight into Egnyte. So if I were to go into my invoices tab right here, as you can see, right, I have the project summary, but then I also have all those individual invoice documents. And so that's really how you can kind of drive further value with our add-ons with the Egnyte integration. So that's all I'll be showing today. I really hope you guys liked what we have here. And if you guys do like it, I highly recommend you check out the other video. We really go more into depth about what you can do and how Egnyte can really bring value to your app. So thanks so much and have a good day.